Kakaduki gamers, what's up everybody? We're back at today's poop report. I'm gonna keep this one on the briefer side. Oh, there's been one breach. It was nothing too crazy. It's kind of one of the menial like morning wake up so you could like weigh yourself, do all that shit type of shit. Really okay. I can't complain. Besides that, I was surprised I didn't eat poorly for dinner last night. In fact, I just wasn't that hungry, so I just like made myself eat some Greek yogurt. Outlook for tonight, may have probably gonna go see Poopenheimer. I am going to go see, I don't know why I'm saying probably, I am gonna go see it. So I'm gonna go see Poopenheimer. Might have some popcorn, which popcorn only leaves a fun bowel movement in the next day. So tomorrow's video should be a fun, exciting one, filled with some popcorn poops. Let's see, what else has been going on today? As for things I ate today, I ate pretty good. Had like egg burrito, Wawa egg burrito, and then a little bit ago, I made like a little waffle egg semi. Yeah, it was pretty good. Had half of that. It was like 2 Eggo waffles cut in half because I wasn't really feeling too hungry. So yeah, might have some popcorn later. Might even have an icy. Might go crazy. I hope all your bowel movements are good. Have some good shits, everybody.